Hello friends! Today I will show you how to model fried eggs in a pan in Blender 4.0. Add a new cylinder object. Open the item window on the right side. You will see the properties of the object. You can change the position, size and angle of your object in this way. If you press the letter of the desired axis immediately after the shortcut key, it locks the movement to that axis. Select the object and switch to edit mode. Our object is divided into corner, edge and face sections. Vertex are units that are in points. An edge is a unit in the form of edge lines. The face is the largest unit of the object. Now let's start our delicious egg model. First of all, we are shrinking the cylinder a little on the Z-axis, and I'm shaping up a little.
Yes, it looks like a fried egg this way. Now let's go to editing mode and open the edges of our object. You can turn on edge mode by pressing the 2 key. Let's select an edge of the object and shoot it by pressing the G key. Activate this feature while edge is selected and see the difference. You can enlarge or reduce the area of effect with the mouse wheel. This feature allows you to make a smoother transition. Now we have created our model, but there are sharp edges and we need to soften them. Select an edge that you see as sharp, right-click, and select the bevel option. Or use the shortcut Ctrl+B, it is much more convenient. After selecting the bevel feature, you should increase its intensity with the mouse wheel. Do not forget this. Let's add an ICO sphere for the yolk of our egg. Let's increase the surfaces a little in the lower left area. And let's adjust it to the dimensions we want. To remove the excess at the bottom, let's first go to edit mode and then select the mesh view on the right, so that when we select the surfaces of our model, we also select the surfaces on the backside. Let's delete the selected areas with the X key. It asks which areas should we delete and we should call it face. We created our model in a delicious way. Now it's time for texture and rendering settings. First, let's switch to render mode from the upper right corner and adjust our stage lights. If you want to add a new light, you can select the light by clicking Shift+A. However, lighting may not always be sufficient for our scene. To adjust this, you should go to the light settings at the bottom right and increase its power. Let's adjust our camera and light settings. Now we have moved on to the step of adding color to our object. First, let's select the object we want to color while in object mode. And let's go to the material section from the bottom right. Let's create a new material. Let's give a name to our material and set the base color as we want in the settings. I will make a yellow close to white. It looks delicious but something is missing, let's add them too. To create a pan, let's switch to object mode and add a cube to our scene. Let's shape. If you right-click and press the Subdivide On feature, you will cut the object, and this feature can be very useful at times. I recommend using the shortcut Ctrl+R. If you want to extend a surface instead of pulling it, you should select the Extrude feature, that is, you can just press the E key after selecting the surface. Thus, the surface is extended on its own. You can select the edges you want at the same time by holding down the Shift key, and if you press Ctrl+B after selecting, you can soften the corners. So this means selecting the bevel feature. To give a width to the pan, let's first select the top surface, then press the I key. This feature allows equal cutting inwards. And let's extrude downwards. Our pan looks very cute, now let's give it automatic softness. We want to add a hole to the handle of our pan. For this we will use the Boolean feature. Select Boolean from the modifier window and set the shape you want to extract as target. Add the shape you want to extract to the scene and position it. Select Boolean from the modifier section. Select your shape as target. And go to the modifier section and click the Apply button. Then delete your shape. Now let's go to the render view and color our pan, then let's adjust their positions with our delicious egg. If we open a flat cube at the bottom and color it, we can use it as the background color. The last thing we need to do is the rendering settings. First, take a look at the camera resolution and dimensions. Then choose which format you want to output, for example, we will print it as PNG. Then select the location where you will print and render. After clicking Save Image, select the location you want and save it there. We have come to the end of our informative video. Thank you for watching.